know this thing shot out.
You're there, man. Is there more of our team over there?
Yeah, there's still our guys up there. Yeah.
And like, you don't even get to do. You just like see someone shoot at
Smoke.
Over there?
Yep.
Nice. Well, I'm just gonna walk. If they start firing, they start firing. You know?
Yep.
That's the way I look at it. Hey, is that guy straight right there?
Bushes?
Oh. Yeah. Oh no. Not yet. It's a fucking tree all weird. That looks like a guy sitting there. Shit. Sorry. I'm scared. Oh yeah. There might be someone over there because I think they just shot at. Yeah, that's him. There you go. We got a little battle going on here. That's cool. This is what I want, man. I don't know what that was. We gotta watch our backs though, because I know we're all on this fucking tree.
The wind's curving my babies
Yeah,
up.
the wind's curving mine too. They're there though, we know they're there.
Jam?
Yeah, it is out. It is out. I'm out. Okay. Yeah, let me get another bag. I just hope they don't fucking run up behind us. Alright. Yeah, I see I fucking hear somebody over there.
I just heard someone walking around.
I think it's someone on that one of our guys. Come on, stick your head up and play. Fuck. There's some rounds over here.
Maybe he retreated.
That's it?
Maybe they retreated.
Yeah, I'm thinking. We're like wide in the open. We're just like, come for us. Well, I say if there's a big group and they start heavy firing on us, I say we retreat too. Cause,
Oh yeah.
I mean, if it was just a couple guys, whatever. But if half their fucking team's over here, screw that. I already got one good in the face. I'm not gonna get another one.
I got one in the neck.
Yeah. Dude, we're like right here. I mean, they said they're all up right through here too.
I don't know. Unless they're
What do you want to do? You want to move up there? Wait, who's that?
bomb.
Oh, that's our guy. Okay.
Yep. Got that Mac.
Is he dead though, or what?
Yeah, he's dead.
Oh, he's dead.
Let's see. Better not come around us again. Dude, just like a guy right.
What's that?
Shit. Oh, I thought that was.
I did that too.
Oh my god, that wind is killing us.
Yeah, it's just, you can see the BB score.
I don't think they're supposed to do that.
Well, we know we shot two guys here to the left. They ran back and retreated, but there's now I'm guessing there's one guy straight ahead of me. Straight ahead of you? Yeah.